Hi guys, I'm going to try to convert decimal numbers to the binary digits. You know, binary system uses only 0 and 1. So the decimal numbers from 0 to 10 numbers, we will convert them to the 0 and 1. Here there are 8 boxes. Each box represents bit. You know, bit is the smallest unit of data in computing, and each bit has a value. Here, the first box, when we look here, the first box value is 1, and it's 2 power 0, and the second box 2 power 1, and 2 power 2, 2 power 3, 2 power 4, and it's going on. The last box value is 2 power 7, and it equals 128. How will we convert the decimal numbers? Let's take this example 5. For this 5, let's try to convert 5 to the binary, and we will take sum from right to the left. We will take sum from right to the left. So 1 plus 2 is 3, and 3 is smaller than 5, and plus 4 it's 7. So 5 is smaller than 5 is smaller than 7. So we will fix our starting point. We will write from here. So the third box value is 4. We will write here. Normally it's 0, but we will write here and 1. We will, and then what did we do? We will uh, extract 4 from 5. 5 minus 4, and now our number is 1. So we will find a box for 1, and the second box value is 2. It's bigger, so we will pass this box, and the last box is, you see, it's 1, and we will write here 1. So for the 5 binary digits are 1, 0, and 1, and on the left side we will not change. On the left side, all of the left side are 0. Okay, so here at first, as I said, I will try to fix the starting point, and I will at first write a for loop. I equals 0, and I is smaller than and 8. Why it's 8? So as you see, I declared a binary array. Normally I don't need to write in it 0. It's already has a 0, but I wanted to show. So I wrote here 0. If, as I said, we if we fix our starting point, and then we will assign the value. Otherwise, it will stop same. Okay, and I plus. What will I write here? And we didn't. Which number we want to convert? So let's declare an variable. Its name is decimal. So for example, it's 40. Okay, we will. Okay, and here, if decimal is smaller than, I will use here a math class. You know, we must write a dynamic code. We will check whether this decimal is smaller than each box. We will check it. So I will write and use math class here. Math dot power 2 and I. Okay. I think okay, decimal, and if, and we must check, and we must fix our starting point, and here I must assign an variable here, and we will use it. I will assign I to the US. Okay, so what did we now find? We find from here our starting point, and then after we found our point, we don't need to check the left side. So I will stop the loop. Okay, I will. Okay, so let's check it whether we wrote right or not. For this, I will print. Okay, let's check small number, for example 5, decimal number, starting point 3. Okay, 3. Look at here, the first part 1, 2, 3. So our starting point, right, so we found it 3. Okay, so we will use this starting point, friends, and I will write again the second loop. I smaller than. Oh, so here in the second for loop, I will assign here, as you see, all the elements are 0. I will assign some of them 1. My starting point is here US. Okay, we will use here in, and I is if bigger than 0, and it will decrease. This part of is important. It will decrease, not increase. Okay, and then here again I will check if math, again I will use it, math power 2 minus, okay, US minus 1. Why did I write here US minus 1? Because in the third box, for example, this is third box, but power 2. So because of that, it's third, but the power is 2. So because of that, I wrote here US minus 1. What will I check? If it is smaller or equals decimal, smaller or equals decimal. Okay, so I will assign here binary element. I will write here the element number 8 minus I is equals 1. Okay, if math power 2 and okay US 1, okay, binary, and I assigned here. And what did I do on when we look here, after I assigned, I will extract 4 from 5. So I will make it again decimal equals decimal minus minus what will I write here? Math power 2. Okay. 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 So it's here, and then in the for loop I will uh, let's check it. What is the okay, so we must change the type of the variable. Sorry. Okay, it is better to write here double. Okay, double, and I must write here. Okay, so I will write print. What will I print? And I assigned binary, and the last again I will print binary. Okay, but it is not to string. Okay, let's check it for the 5 whether we have written right or not. Yes. Okay, let's check it. As you see, we can compare. Okay, it's right. For example, for the let's change the number. Let's check it with it, and with the 255, let's change it. Okay, if it is right, there is no problem. Okay, yes, okay, it's right. Okay, my friends, as you see, well, let's compare the results with this when we look, and when we look here, as you see, it's working. There is no problem, and I hope this video is useful for you. It's sometimes confusing, but you can use debug, and you can check it, and you can write by yourself again. I hope it will be useful. See you next videos. Thank you very much.